This seems to be fine.
Well, you got your waterproof as well. Your lightweight one.
Yeah.
Should have worn that today, but it's not quite warm enough.
I always think back to 77. I'll see you in 5 years, 47 years later. I won't live that long, so I'm in a more of an urgent state. Like I want to stay connected and I'd like to come back again.
Oh. You know where I am?
I might come with a pocket full of money and buy a place. I don't know. I don't know how to do the weather well. I'd be melancholy a lot.
Well, you'd be indoors for 6 months and outdoors for
I'd be doing a lot of cooking, a lot of eating, a lot of baking. Or I'd find a hobby.
That's it. You could just move into the bathroom.
Start my knitting, sit in a walking chair and knit my life away.
Change the room around. And get a bench system.
Yeah. That's kind of like, I had a really nice big room in my place in Round Valley, and I had a sitting chair, a nice comfortable sitting chair with a lamp where I could read, and my dresser and my bed. Place for the dog, nice and cozy. Didn't have to pay for the gas to heat my house, so I was always warm.
That's always an advantage.
Yeah. But this room is very small. The closet's very small. So I thought, well, I just need to get rid of more stuff so I don't have to worry about storage. Because I have a rack. I told you I got a rack just to hang my pants on. But I need to, you hold on to things, I'm going to be that size again. It's like, nope, these are too big. These are too small.
I'm going the other way.
Yeah, you
I've been shrinking for quite a while.
That's great.
I had a chest of drawers full of stuff from the old days. All come into...
Get rid of it. No going back.
That's what I did.
I did get rid of a lot.
A lot of holiday shorts. I thought, well, I'm never going on holiday and I'll never wear shorts.
I'll give them to poor, I give all my clothes to poor Bonnie. That's what I'm going to call her, poor little Bonnie. She's a seamstress, so she can alter anything.
Change it.
And she at 63 years old, she's, you know, looking on the downhill slide of raising her last granddaughter, and she's going to try to do some college courses, and she wants to do assist the elderly kind of thing.
Yeah.
That way she'd get money into Social Security, maybe a little bit of a pension for 5 years.
Well, that's the target.
But she's poor, I mean, considered poor, so she gets assistance with all her rent, her utilities, food.
This is my problem. I'm considered rich.
Right.
So I don't get it.
That's me. Always $100 over that line.
Yeah.
Obama really lowered it for us, though. In America, you have to be really rich to get any kind of Medi-Cal, or because I used to have Medi-Cal as a secondary to my insurance, but he ended all that when he messed with the healthcare system. Never been the same. Yeah, he got big money from Big Pharma.
Don't they all?
Yes, don't they all?
That's why they do the job.
Yep.
It's not for the job, it's for the money
They
afterwards.
may go in honest. They don't come out that way. And good intentions.
I go past this bus.
There's an old Corvette. That's a Stingray I used to... this one boyfriend went to Monterey in. But, my God, it got hot there because your feet are right at the engine. Your feet will be roasting. I still have the marble jewelry box I bought there at a trinket shop in Monterey. I went there with my mom once. Went to the John Steinbeck Museum and the aquarium. Monterey has an awesome aquarium.
Never went.
Because they do a lot of research there, you know, in the bays and stuff. So they got the sea otters and dolphins, and most of them you can see in the wild, so which is best. Seals and dolphins and otters and fish and kelp and seaweed. Yeah.
Well, we have any number of zoos and wildlife parks and aquariums and all sorts of dogs all over Scotland. I've never been in any one of them.
Fish don't bother me so much if they're in a large aquarium, like aquarium in the Pacific down in Long Beach. I took my grandson there. He used to take the kids there when they were little with my mom too. But huge 2-story aquariums. Just huge. And so that didn't make me feel so bad. But animals in cages bothers me.
Yeah.
Now, if they're in kind of a habitat, that's okay.
That's
if you're
it,
saving a
yeah.
species, or they've been, poached and they've been saved, and that's what they have, then that's what they have. Because
Well,
releasing them in the wild would be a sure death.
Oh yeah. I was in one in New Orleans. Down by the harbour, I can't remember the name of it. Down by the front, the riverfront. And that was good. I actually felt educated when I came out.
Yeah?
As opposed to being an audience member.
The looky
I felt
loo.
educated.
And which one was this?
New Orleans. Some kind of aquarium or wildlife thing.
Did you see crocs and alligators?
No, we didn't have any of them. Or if I did, I don't remember seeing them. It was all marine wildlife.
Good.
Good enclosures, good viewing.
Well, what I do like about this climate change crap is people are just becoming more aware of their ecological systems so they can...
Believe me.
Huh.
I was standing there. No, it couldn't have been that way. It's all facing the wrong way. I said, look, I was standing there and I saw it happening. And he still wouldn't believe me, so I told him to piss off and walk away. That was the primary school that Stephen went to.
You can tell a officer to piss off and they won't arrest you.
But I did.
You're an asshole sometimes.
Well, I was 16 or 17. That was the school that Stephen went to.
So you're as bad as the rest of the kids throwing their garbage all over everything. Yeah, I know. Stephen's school there.
See that? These three houses?
Yeah.
That used to be a fire station.
Oh, okay. Tight quarters, it looks like.
That travel lodge used to be a hospital.
Oh,
A part of a hospital.
wow. At least somebody's using it for something. Looks like a hospital.
Yeah, it was part of a hospital. The hospital was called King's Cross. Now, King's Cross Hospital is still where I send my poo samples to get tested
Oh, lovely.
when I get the thing through. This is Hospital Street. Surprise, surprise. Grandma Cole lived here when she was a girl.
Grandma Cole Elizabeth?
No,
Grandma Cole, your
Dad's
maternal.
mum. She lived in one of these. I can't remember the exact address, but she lived in one of these. They've all been done up since then.
They all look the same.
Yeah. Well, they all looked the same before as well. That's the way they looked before they were done up. When Grandma lived there, terrible sash windows, drafts every place.
Really?
Yep.
That's too bad.
Yeah, it was way back 1900s. But James said that your grandmother was living way over there. That take you here, the road doesn't exist. This is all history for me.
Considering how I've seen other people live here, my grandma had a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah.
I don't see people hauling around a lot of stuff in their house here.
But she didn't start collecting stuff until she went to the States. I doubt if very much of the stuff.
But the stuff is from here.
Well, she would have but she was there and she came back and collected it and took it
Yeah,
back again.
yeah.
She didn't take it with her.
She took memories back, is
Yeah.
what she did.
Now, on the right, as we go around here, there was a paper shop. It might still be there. That was my very first job. Now a convenience store. I had a paper.
Glenn's convenience store.
I had a paper round. I delivered newspapers.